Okay, continuing on with section 8.1, let's look at this next example. A random sample of 53 students was asked for the number of semester hours they are taking this semester. The sample standard deviation was found to be S equals 4.7 semester hours. How many more students should be included in the sample to be 99% sure that the sample mean X bar is within 1 semester hour of the population mean mu for all students at this college? Now we know this is not a confidence interval problem because never in this problem did it ask you to find a confidence interval. But what it did ask you is how many more students needed to be in the sample. So this is a sample size problem. Now to calculate sample size, you take your Z critical times your standard deviation, and it doesn't matter, they can give you sigma, the population standard deviation, or they can give you S, the sample standard deviation. Okay, doesn't matter which one. You divide by the error and you square it. Okay, so let's look at this. We're going to go N equals. Now Z critical for 99%. Oops, I need my table. Okay. 99%. Sorry about that. Z critical. We go to this little table. 99% is 2.58. So my Z critical is 2.58. My standard deviation, in this particular problem, they're giving me S, the sample standard deviation. That's fine. We're going to multiply that. So 2.58 times 4.7. Now the error. We want our sample mean to be within 1 semester hour of mu. So our error, we can be within 1 semester hour either way. So 1 happens to be our error in this problem. And then we're going to square that answer. Okay. So let's work this out. I was not very prepared. Okay, got my calculator. 2.58 times 4.7 is 12.126. So we have 12.126, of course, divided by 1 is 12.126, and we're going to square that. And we get 147.04. Now, this tells me that a sample size of 147 is not large enough to give me this error. I need a little more. So we actually have to round this up to 148. Now that's our total sample size. We already had a sample of size 53. There's no reason for me to go sample another 148. We just want to know how many more we need. So we're going to take 148 minus the 53 we already have, and we get 95 more students. Okay. All right, let me know if you have any questions.